This is Codespy. It allows you to detect AI-generated code and solve potential bugs quite faster. So this tool can show you exactly which part of your code was generated by AI. It supports a variety of languages: C#, C++, Python, Java, JavaScript, PHP, and potentially more in the future. It is important, however, to understand that this tool does not rewrite or fixes mistakes in your AI code. It detects the AI code, which is usually where bugs actually happen. This tool offers 4 pricing tiers. There is a free tier with 3 scans per month and allows detection in all of the provided languages, but also there is this consultant pricing module, which is very cheap every month. And this is very good for small businesses with up to 4 people. By using this, these companies can actually detect AI-generated code without needing to hire additional developers. So essentially, this tool can act as a potential debugger that will allow small consultant companies to essentially reduce the number of revisions that they have to do for their clients. So they will save time, they will save money, and they will be able to do more contracts at the same time. Actually, a study that was done by Tandon University of Engineering in New York University have shown that GitHub Copilot and those AI coding tools are very dangerous because they give you outdated code, they include various errors that mess up the memory, and also talk to like database that no longer exist. By having a tool like this one, you can pinpoint and find sources of bug through AI generated code a lot faster. And it's quite cheap, I gotta say, like especially in a company, this could solve so many issues. And of course, for businesses with up to 50 people, they've got another plan that is also very good. They also have for bigger businesses with branded reports, white label reports. What I really like here is that they also have an API, which could use some automated testing during the deployment phase of the applications. So that could be very important as well, like actual developers approving AI-generated code that is obviously shown to them during the pull request. So that could be potentially very, very nice. So essentially in the world of AI coding, especially if you have a business, this type of tools and Codespy is very important. So I actually have created an account and I want to test it out with you today. So I'm going over to new AI scan. So let's try it out. I'm really interested to see how this works. So I have created some code bases that we are going to check out. So the first code I'm going to give it is actually generated by AI in Java language. Okay, so I have generated code in Java, which is generated by AI. This is like the code. And let's check it out. So it's Java language, click analyze. For me, it's really important to see also the speed of the tool, which was very, very fast. And here it shows us that it is 98% generated by AI. So this is accurate. It also pinpoints exactly the points that it believes it's AI. So this one, it suppose it's AI, and these ones also AI. So it covers them with red color. Okay, so I think this report is very nice. I really, really like it. And it gives you a very detailed report on what feels like AI. So I'm going to try also human written code in order to have a fair evaluation of this tool. Funny thing is that this is actually from a commercial database, which I don't know if I want to really show you the code, but I think it's going to be okay. There is not like any sensitive kind of code. But like this is from an actual, software tool. So this is big. Like this is a human written code that is very complex, could be detected as AI. I think this is going to stress test the tool at its limit. You can see here that the code base that I gave it is quite long. It's big. We're going to also test out its token window. So I'm removing the first comment and I'm starting like with the code. Click the analyze button and let's see what happens. I'm really interested to see how much it's going to say it's AI or how much it's human. 2 out of 100 says human. Okay, this is interesting. I really want to go over and see what it expects to potentially be AI. So we've seen no errors up till now, no pinpoints. Okay, so it has some predicted completions that could potentially be AI generated. It points them with yellow. So, they're shown quite obviously compared to the others. So yeah, it makes sense that some of these could potentially be AI. But okay, that was wildly unexpected. I really firmly expect that it would think it was, actually AI. But, it passed the test. So that looks good. And, you can create projects. You have various reports here. You can erase AI, you can view it, you can open it up, edit it, delete it. You can do a lot of things with this. So in any case, if you want to try Codespy, you will find the link down below in the description.